Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में अब वक्त है फीमेल्स 53 यानी कि 53 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। देवियों सज्जनों, हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की कुमारी सीमा। डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में महिलाओं के स्ट्रिपर वगैरह की कुश्ती में आ रही है दिल्ली सुल्तान की ओर से भारतीय मूल की कुमारी पिंकी।
On your screens, Haryana Hammer Seema, 53 kilogram category. That's the competitor. She's 25 years of age. I'm Joe Bhatt, and I have Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra in the commentary box with us, CEO of Pro Wrestling League. Sunil, tell me now about these two wrestlers, especially Pinky. She's becoming a little favorite, is it?
Absolutely, Joe. She has won our hearts and admiration in the past 3 bouts. She comes in with 3 wins under her belt.
In this season?
Absolutely, in this season. In the second season, she was a replacement for the much acclaimed Babita Fogart.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and there from a wild card to all of a sudden the biggest star at this category, where she defeated the world champions just 2 days ago.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The whistle actually makes it official. The bout is underway. This is bout number 4. And the round 1 of women's 53 kilogram category, where we have Haryana and Delhi neck and neck. Of course, Seema from Haryana Hammers is in orange outfit, and on the other side from Delhi Sultan's Pinky is in blue outfit. Now, tell us more about this season. Don't you think that it is actually a psychological advantage for a wrestler when you pin down or take down or win a bout against a very senior player?
Yes, absolutely. And the icing on the cake is when that senior player happens to be the world champion not so long ago. So Pinky walks in with 3 wins and has loads of confidence right now. She's not only aiming for another win, but also has her eye set for the qualification at the Tokyo Olympics later this year.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a great point that we've heard, and now it's official that she came in as a replacement in the 3rd chapter of Pro Wrestling League, and now she is shining like a star at the horizon of that stardom which every wrestler looks at. These are the laurels that they get when you come into as a replacement, and then you get to take down the world champion.
Yeah. But the good part here is that she's been training with the world champion. She hails from the same village of from Rohtak district and was trained under the coach of Sakshi Malik, the acclaimed Sakshi Malik. So this Ritwali girl, that's her village's name. That's how they call it, Ritwali. And Pinky is doing great on this, and she's loads of confidence and full of energy this season.
Well, right now, let us tell you one thing, and that is that both of them have to open an account. So by virtue of that passivity both of them are showing, they have not been able to initiate the first attack.
Seema, on the other hand, if you look at, is no newcomer to the 53 category. She won the gold medal at the Commonwealth Championship in 2017 and has been 3 times champion at the Nationals from 2015 to 2017, where she defeated bigger names.
Well, then again, Pinky is the National Championship gold medal winner in 2018. In the Asian Junior Championships in 2016 and 17, she won a silver medal. And of course, I mean, why are we saying all these medals for her? Because she's already won her might and right by pinning down the world champion.
Yes, certainly. She's pinned her down. And not only that, even Ritu Fogart, the first match she had was no mean thing. She defeated Ritu by 5-3, and that was a closely contested match. Then she goes on, defeats Vanessa with a slender margin of 1 point from 8-7. And then Anju quite comfortably by 9-4. So this is her scorecard. She looks very, very in control, although it's only 1 point on the scorecard, Joe.
Well, right now, yes, Delhi Sultans has opened an account and they have a 1 point lead. Pinky initiated. Now, in this round, let's see what Seema comes in as a game plan.
No finger.
Well, Seema has been playing the traditional wrestling and is now all set to take that charge and decrease the margin. But again, it's a 1 point margin. Let's see what Seema does. She's an experienced campaigner here.
Well, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, right now, again, trying to shake herself away from those grips. Now, when you hold the shoulder or go under the shoulder, it's like you're so defensive. You bring the opposition close to you so that they don't have space enough to attack or make a movement where, so you have to get the head or the shoulder out of the way or the hands or the wrists out of the way before you actually go for that attack.
Yes.
And when you have the legs out,
yes,
away from the lower body, that means you're defensive. But when you have that waistline axis and your feet are a little front of the waist, that means you're in an attacking mode.
I'm wondering, Joe, where do you practice? In which akhada do you go to these days?
I've noticed this, and then again, being an automobile engineer, body mechanics and logic of that goes in. But yes, when I was a child, I started. But then I had a hip problem that my parents kind of let it out. I was about 9 years old when I started going to the akhada back in the village.
Lovely. I think it's wrestling's loss, and India certainly lost a medal there. However, the good part is that we still have Joe connected with wrestling.
There you have it. Pinky has done it. She is able to get a 2-pointer. But then again, it is an equalizer, sorry, folks.
See,
that was what the score was saying. So there is something wrong. I think the scoreboard is a little conky. First they equalize, and now it's a 3-point lead for this Pinky.
Right.
So Pinky, as of now, in control. She's got 3 points, and now again she's trying to go plunge towards the lower portion and find an attack. There you go. Now it's Seema who is trying desperately to maybe turn the tables around, because there is not much of a points difference. There is 40 seconds, because now it's not about, oh, it's just under a minute, nothing happens. We have seen up to 7 points being scored in a matter of 4 seconds.
And here we are, the first attack from the Haryana Hammers girl, and look at the way she's taking it.
And yes, she's gone in. She has gone in. She's taken that advantage. She's picked it up, and now we have to see that is she able to take it even further. It's a points difference, 16 seconds on the clock, and yes, like I said, with that lightning, as you can see, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, in just a matter of few seconds.
Can Pinky hold on to 1 point lead in the last 10 seconds? I think it looks.
Yes, it's been a takedown, but is it? No, it's been not something that could have been of any disaster. Seema looking disappointed. Pinky has won this bout by just 1 point difference. Again, we broke a norm, and that is people think that, oh, lighter Pehelwan, more points. But the brilliance is that if you don't score that much of points, which means actually is the fact that your defenses are so strong.
Yes, certainly. In order to stay in the game, you have to keep on attacking. And that's what these girls did. They've been sparring partners, so they know each other's strengths and weaknesses. And that's where the game was, so close. Pinky did her best.
Oh, there you go. See, that was... it was a good attack, but then she couldn't follow through because she was herself off balance.
Yes, and that is the reason why they have called for a challenge. The jury is looking at it, and let's see what they have to say. It's no point.
There you have it. Mr. VN Prasud on your screens, who raised that white flag. But then, because of the protest, looks like there was a penalty.
Yes.
And 1 point going into Delhi Sultan's favor. So now we have a clear winner. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Pinky. Cyril, what do you have to say about the bout?
Oh, it was on the... We were on the edge of our seats. This was so closely fought, and their strategies and strengths were at balance, and so were the point table. Looked like very close.
मत ले पंगा।